to discuss about the ODP of Margaon Pagoda. ODP is nothing but the outline development plan of Margaon, wherein we have to, it has to be done by the South Goa Planning Development Authority, and it has to be done some sort of planning as far as the Margaon city is concerned. Now, if we go to see Margaon city, almost every time till today it is congested because it is not planned properly. Now, it is not planned properly in the sense when these people they draw a plan like this, they concentrate more on changing of zones. Now, everyone knows why they are interested in changing of zones, because obviously they get money. Now, my intention to bring before the people of Margaon and people of Goa is that planning authority should consist of good member secretary. Today we have a member secretary by the name Ali Ahmed, Sheikh Ali Ahmed, who was North Goa Planning Development Authority officer. Planning authority PDA is always the autonomous body. He cannot be a town and country planning cadre officer. We should have, my request to the minister is, before finalizing this ODP, first see that there is an experienced member secretary. Because today's member secretary is not qualified at all. And if he signs the ODP, I will be the first person to go to the court. Now the question is, this ODP, which government has taken as a draft ODP, which was signed by Kaudekar, then TCP minister. Now this ODP has got n number of discrepancies. Now, what a planning authority should have been done? They should have taken Public Works Department into consideration, then WRD, then municipality, survey department, forest department, agriculture department. None of these people have been taken into consideration. Now, if you don't take Public Works Department into consideration, that means the roads which are existing today will remain like that only. And if they cannot be expanded due to the structure available like church, temple, and then you just paint here and do nothing, no planning about that particular area, then the city will get completely messed up in vision. This is supposed to be for the next 5 years. But what shows here is totally messing up the city. Now, first and foremost thing, municipality has not been taken into consideration. Municipality, if they don't give the proper output, what is there, where it is there, where are the concerns, how it has to go, how the planning it has to go neck to neck. HGPD and municipality, but they have not been informed. Survey department is not been informed. Forest suggestion has come, that has been not taken into consideration. Only painting, everywhere changing of the zone. Now let me start it. Before I could explain you the plan, there is no tenancy taken on this plan. If they are not shown here, then where do they go?